Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be taking an early look at the Air Jordan 1 in the Palomino colorway. What's good everybody? Welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well, and as you guys could tell by the title of this video, we're taking a very early look at the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Now the set release date for this pair is September 2nd, 2023. The retail price is going to be $180. And if you guys have never had an Air Jordan 1 before, these fit true to size. Now since we're in the month of June, you're probably wondering, Alex, how did you get this super early pair? Well, the thing is I overpaid for these things. Now, like I said, the retail price was $180. And you're probably wondering, Alex, how much did you pay? Let's go ahead and break this down for you real quick. So on GOAT, they had a pair for instant ship, and I got it for $344. And just wait. I know that sounds like a lot, but don't forget, we have tax. So the tax was $32, and then on top of that, we had shipping too. So at the end of the day, your boy paid $390.75. Oh my God! Now, like I said, I did overpay for this pair, but I did it for you guys. So make sure you hit the like button on this video because I spent a lot of money to do this review right here. Now let's get right into the shoe. Starting off with the outsole, we have this super nice light brown outsole. Is this that Palomino? So the colorway on this shoe is black metallic gold Palomino. I'm not sure if that's the shade of this brown or if it's that shade of gold right there. But either way, this outsole is super nice. I love a dark outsole because it doesn't really show dirt as much, and just being that like brownish color, these things are gonna look pretty clean after wearing these a bunch. Moving on to the midsole, we finally have a nice bright white midsole. We're done with the cream. Freaking Jordan brand, Nike, thank God, we're done with the midsoles that are cream. I'm actually hyped to see this kind of color on a midsole. Now, as we move up, the uppers consist of two different materials. First, we have our black smooth leather, which actually feels decent. It's not super high quality, but it's also not trash. I would give this maybe like a 7 out of 10. As we take a look at the uppers of the shoe, you're gonna see a nice brown nubuck that surrounds the entire upper of the shoe. Now this color blocking right here is reminiscent of the Royal Ones, Breads, Shadows. So this is a very iconic color blocking. And I gotta say, I think I prefer this shoe right here over the Mochas. And I know that's a bold statement right there, but you guys let me know if you agree or disagree with me in the comment section down below. Now, like I said, I did spend a lot for this pair right here, but getting an early pair for that price, like that $340 price range, 3 months early, just tells me that they're probably gonna have a lot of pairs right here, and the expected resale value when they drop is going to probably be around like $240, $250-ish. Don't quote me, but I feel like there's gonna be a lot of pairs of these, and a lot of people have been sleeping on the Air Jordan 1s as of lately. This might just be one of those sleeper pairs, or it might get hyped up as the release date starts getting a little bit closer. With all that being said though, I think that this is a very solid fall shoe. Whenever fall comes around, those brown / orangey pine tones are super popular, so I do think that these are going to sell out. But if you guys can't wait for them to come out, I'd recommend just hitting GOAT. There's not really any pairs right now on StockX, but shop with the homies over at GOAT. Not sponsored, but I'll leave a link down below in the description if y'all are interested in picking up a pair. Taking a quick look at the tongue, you're gonna see that Palomino gold. Now at first, this was throwing me off a little bit because this shoe is just so mellow with the darker vibes, and then boom, you get this hit of gold right here. But actually, now that I look at it, I think I kind of like it. It just breaks it up just a little bit, gives a little bit of flavor to the shoe, just adds that bang, that pop, which I think it might have needed. But I think it would also look good if they put that brown on the top right there just to match it. But overall, I think this shoe right here, it's a pretty solid one. Now, since I do have this shoe pretty early, I could do a 30-day wear test if you guys want. Let me know if this is a cop or drop in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to see any other videos on these, I will be happy to make them. Just let me know what you guys want to see. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.